at Lumberton. The flood stage is 13 feet. The 7 a.m. stage is 7.88 feet. The river level has increased.
Yep, there it go. There it go. There it go. We finna get this.
National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina. Signal was a test of weather radio station WXK90's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted between the hours of 11 and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the following Wednesday. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in north central South Carolina: Chesterfield, Clarendon, Darlington, Dillon, Florence, Kershaw, Lee, Marion, Marlborough, Sumter, and Williamsburg. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio public warning alarm system. We now return you to the normal program schedule. This morning's river summary on the Lumber River.
We did it, y'all. We freaking did it. Number 8. Number freaking 8. We did it. Thank y'all for sticking around. Like the video.
The flood stage is 13 feet.